Hello students, so I am back again today with the second part on chapter number 1, which is rational number and irrational number for class 8 students. So in my previous video lecture we have covered exercise 1.1 and 1.2, wherein we have covered how to read a number line and how to plot numbers on a number line, which was there in exercise 1.1. So all these sums are available on my YouTube channel, the part 1 of this video, and you can find the link of that video in the upper right section. You can click on that link and have a look at exercise 1.1. And then after this we have covered exercise 1.2, which is basically comparison of two numbers. It can be a whole number, natural number, integers, or a fraction. So we have also learned this yesterday. Now let's move on to exercise 1.3. Now this is basically decimal representation of rational number, so which means basically it's a division of rational number. So what have been asked is, write the following rational number in decimal form. So if you see, all these are rational number, and if you remember, we have studied yesterday, rational number is nothing but a number in the form of m upon n. What you can see over here, m upon n, basically a fraction wherein the denominator cannot be 0. That is called a rational number. Okay, now we have to convert these rational numbers into decimal fractions. So basically we have to do division of these numbers. So now let's start with our sum number 1, which is 9 divided by 37. So 9 divided by 37 means our numerator, which is 9, that is the dividend, so that will come over here, and our denominator is divisor, that will come over here. So if you see, the dividend is smaller than divisor, so what we need to do is we need to take a 0 over here, we need to put point, and then we can take a 0 after this. So now we need to find out in 37 table where does 90 lies, or a number less than 90. So let's see, 3, 7 3s is 21, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. So this is higher, so we need to take 2. 7 2s is 14, 3 2s are 6, 7. So this is 74. So this will be 2s are 74. So once we minus this is 0. So we need to take 1 from 9. So this will get cancelled. This will become 8. This will be 10. Now 10 minus 4 is 6, and 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, now once we have done this, once we have solved this, we can take 1 0 over here, because we have already taken point over here. So now we need to find out 160, or a number less than 160 in 37 table. So let's try 5s are 7 5s is 35, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. This is 185. This is on a higher side. So let us check 4, 7 4s is 28, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so we can take 4. So this is 148. Now we need to cancel this. This will become 5. This will be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now this is 12. Now again we can take 1 0 over here. Now let us see, where does 120 lie. So we already have 3s, which is 111. We have 4s, 148. So we need to take 3. So this will be 1 1 1, and if we minus this will get cancelled. This will be 1. This will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. This will be 0. This will be 0. Now if we see clearly, we have again come to the starting point. Our dividend was 9, and we have again come to 9. So what will happen next is, again we will be taking 2 over here, we will take 0, then we will take 2 over here, 74. Basically these steps will get repeated after this. So what we can do, so that means our question, this number will repeat as it is. 0.243, 243, 243, 243, 243, and never ending. So what we can do is we can put a bar on this number which will indicate this number is going to repeat after 3 to 0.0243, 0.243, 243, 243, 243, and so on. So that's it. So this is your answer for sum number 1. So let's try sum number 2, which is 18 divided by 42. So this being our dividend, so this will come over here, this is 42. So again this is smaller than this, so we'll have to take 0 over here and a point, and we can take 0 over here. So let's try 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. This looks the correct number, but let's try 5 also. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 21. Yeah, so 4 is the correct number, 168. So 0 minus 8 we cannot do, so we need to borrow 1 from here. So this will become 7 and this will be 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1. So this has become 12 now. So we can take 1 0 over here. Now we need to find out what is 42 into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. So this is 126. So this is on a higher side. So we need to find out what is 42 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we need to take 2, which will be 84. Now we need to subtract this. So this will become 1, this will be 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, and now 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay, now again we can take a 0 over here. Now let's see, we have done 5s are, this is 210. So now let's check with 7. 7 2s are is 14, and 7 4s are 28, 29. This looks fine, but let us also check with 8s are. 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, and this will be 33. Yes, so see, this should be the number. 8s are 336, but let us also check 9s are. 9 2s are 18, 9 4s are 36, 37. So 9s is on a higher side, so we need to take 8s are 336. So we need to borrow 1 from here, so this will become 5, this will be 10, 10 minus 6 will be 4, 5 minus 3 will be 2, this will be 0. So now this is 24. We again need to take a 0 over here. Now we have seen 42 into 5 is 210. Let us also check with 6. 6 2s is 12, 6 4s are 24, 25. So 252, this is on a higher side, so we need to take 5s, and we need to take 210 over here. So this will be 0, this will be 3, and this will be 0. So this is 30 basically. So again we can take one more 0. Now we need to use 300. So 42 into 7, so this should be the right number. So we need to borrow 1 from here, so this will become, this will become 2, this will become 10, again this will get cancelled, so this will become 9, and this will become 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. 6, so we can take 0 again over here. Now 42, we need to take 1. Yeah, so this is 42 into 1 is 42. So this will become 5, this will become 10, so this will be 8, and this will be 1. So this is 18. So if we see 18, so 18 again we have reached to the starting point, which was our question 18, correct? So if we see our question was 18, so again we have reached to starting point. So again this number will get repeated, so basically we need to put a bar over here, that is 0.428571, meaning 428571 is going to repeat after 1. So this will be 0.428571, 428571, 428571, 428571. Okay, now let's move on to our next sum, third sum, which is 9 upon 14. So we need to divide 9 by 14. So again a similar sum, 0, and we need to take point, and this will be 0. So 14 into 5, 4 5s are 20, 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. Let's check with 6 also. 4 6 are 24, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8. This looks fine. 6 are, so this will be 6 are, this will be 84, this will get cancelled as we are borrowing 1 from here, and this will become 6, this will be 0. Now we can take one more 0 over here. Now 14 5s is 70, so this we cannot use, so we need to check what is 4s are. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 5, so this is 5s are. Okay, now let's borrow 1 from here. This will become 5, this will be 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, and this will be 0. Now this is again 4, we can use 0 over here. So now let's see, 3s are 4, 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4. This is on a higher side, we need to check with 2. 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, so this is 28, so we can use 2s are 28. So this will become 3, this is 10, 10 minus 8 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we can use 0. Now what we have seen is on higher is 6 is 84, so let's check for 7s are, 7 4s is 28, 7 is 7, 8 9. Let's check 9s are, 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12. So this is 120, this is higher, so we need to check with 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11. So this is the number we are looking for. So this is 112, this will get cancelled as we are borrowing 1, this will become 10, and this will be 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now we can use 0. We have used 0. Now we need to see. Now 5 is 70. How much is 6 are? 6 is 84. So we cannot use 6 are. So we need to use 5 are. So we can use 5 over here, which is 70. So this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be again 0 we can use. So which would be 7s are 98. So this will be 2, 0, 14, 1s are 14. This will be 6. Yeah, so now this will be 6. Okay, so we can use 0 over here. Now let's check where is 60. So we can see 4, that is 56. So this will be 4, this is 0, so we can use 2, 28. So this will become 2 and 1, so this will go on. so this sum will go on. So after 5 6 number you can stop doing, no need to do after the 6th number. So up till here it is fine. So if you want to do after this you can do, but up to 6th number it is okay. Now let's move on to our next sum. Which is minus 103 divided by 5, which looks a bit interesting. So let's start. Minus 103, so basically numerator will come over here and denominator will go over here. So this sign you can directly take as it is over here. So 5 2s are 10, everyone knows. Minus, this will get plus, so this will get cancelled. So basically we need to do minus, so this will get cancelled, so only 3 will come down. Now in the table of 5 we do not have 3, so what we can do is we can put a point over here, we can take 0, and 5 6 is 30, and this will be 0. Okay, so your sum is complete over here. That's it. Now let's see our next sum, which is sum number 5, which is minus 11 upon 13. So if you clearly see your sum, which is written as minus 11 upon 13, so basically this minus sign is this one for 11. So we can do it like this: minus 11 upon 13, 0 point, and you can take a 0 over here. Now let's see where does 110 stands in the table of 13. So let's try 13 7s are 7 3s are 21, 7 1 7 8 9 91. Let's check with 8 also. 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8 9 10. Yeah, so this looks the correct number. Let's once check 9 also. 9 3s are is 27, this will be 11. So this is on a higher side, 117. So we need to take 8, 104 minus plus, we need to do minus. Now let's take 1 from here, so this will become 0, this will become 10, 0 1 1 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. As we have already taken point over here, we can take a 0 over here. Now 13 5s is 65, 5 3s is 15, 5 1s are 5 6. So 65 is on a higher side, so we need to take 4. So 4 3s is 12, 4 1s are 4, 5 52. So this will be 4s are 52. Now let's take 1 from here, so this will become 5, this will be 10. 10 minus 8 is 10 minus 2 is 8. We can take 1 0 over here after 8. Now let's see, we have 5s are 65, and then we have 7s are 91. Let's check what is 6 are. 6 3s are is 18, 6 1s are 6 7, so 78. So this is the number we are looking for. So this is 6. So this is 6 78 2. Okay, now again we can take a 0 over here. So 13 1s are will be 13. So this will be 7. You can take a 0 over here. Now you can take, yeah, now we need 70 So 6 is 78, 5 is 65, so we need to take 5. So this will be 5, we can take a 0 over here. Now let's see what is 4 is 52, that's what is required. Now you can take 4 which is 52, sorry, no, we cannot take 4 because that is 52 and that is higher than 50, so we need something that is less than 50. So I'll just remove the 4. Now let's see what is 3. 13 3 is 39, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3, so we need 39. So this is 39 and we'll take 1 from here, 1 from here, and then 10 minus 9 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. So that's it. We have got now around 6 number after decimal and we do not see the repetition, so we can stop over here. So that was exercise 1.3. Now let's move on to exercise 1.4. Now as of now we have seen what is rational number. It is in the form of a fraction wherein we have m upon n and wherein n is not equal to 0. Now let's have a look at a irrational number. Now what they are saying is, in addition to the rational number, there are many more numbers on the number line. They are not rational number, that is they are irrational number. So basically one of the example is root 2. So any number which has root, that is an irrational number, which is in the form of root 2 or root 3, root 5, root 7, whatever it is, they are irrational number. Now let's see what is given in question number exercise 1.3. Okay, so exercise 1.4 says, first sum says the number root 2 is shown on the number line. So if you see this diagram clearly, so you see a number called root 2. So this point Q, which is over here, so this is your point root 2 and this is an irrational number. Fill in the boxes properly and complete the activity. So they have given this diagram and we have to fill this number. So what they are trying to say is, in triangle ORQ, so triangle ORQ, so in this triangle if we see angle Q is a 90-degree angle, which means this is a right angled triangle, and as per the Pythagoras theorem, the side which is opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. So the side opposite to angle Q is this one, this side, so which is OR. So this is your hypotenuse, and hypotenuse theorem says hypotenuse square is equal to the addition of other two sides is equal. So which means hypotenuse square, which is OR square, is equal to OQ square, which is length of root 2. So from 0 up to here point Q, the measurement is root 2. Okay, and the length of QR, we'll see what is the length of QR. Okay, so they have given something over here. A line perpendicular to number line is drawn through point Q. Okay, point R is at a distance, is at unit distance from Q. Unit means 1 basically. When they say a unit distance, so that is 1. So which means this point R is at distance of 1 from point Q. So the measurement of QR is 1. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this. So what they are saying is, we have to find OR square, which is OQ square plus RQ square. OQ square plus QR or RQ square. So now we know the distance of OQ is root 2. So this will be root 2 square, and this is 1. This is at a unit distance, so this measurement of this is 1. So if you know, root 2 into root 2 is always 2. So this is 2. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is 3. Okay, now what is 3 is OR square is 3. OR square is 3. So if we need to find out OR, so when this square goes on the right hand side, so that becomes a square root. So the distance of OR is root 3. If you see in this diagram, so the distance of OR is root 3, and when you draw an arc taking O as a center and a radius of OR, and when you draw an arc that cuts the number line, so this point C, that is, this is root 3. Okay, yeah, you can see the point C shows the number root 3. Now what is asked in the next two sum is show the number root 5 and root 7 on the number line. So continuing this line, which is over here, so now let's start it. Let's start from the beginning. So on a number line, how to draw root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, root 7. So we can do one thing. We can draw up to root 5, and then you can try up to root 7. In case you are not able to do it, then do let me know in the comment section. We can cover it up once again. Okay, now let's start with the number line. I'll be drawing on this, so I'll be just telling you what measurement to take and how to draw it. Then you'll have to draw it on your own using scale and pencil. So let's do one thing. Take 0, 1. Okay, take 1 centimeter over here. Okay, now what you can do, you can use a circular. What you called is a circular. Take any measurement less than 1. You can take any measurement less than this. You can take up to over here. Put one pointer over here and make an arc over here, and one arc on the right hand side. Now what you have to do is increase the radius of your circular. Keep the pointer over here and make an arc over here. Put the pointer over here, make an arc over here. Okay, now what you need to do is you simply need to join these two segments. Okay, you will get a straight line. Okay, now you can take this distance on your circular or 1 centimeter and make an arc over here. Okay, now what is this? This is 1 centimeter. From here up to here, this is 1 centimeter. Now you all need to do is join these two segments. Join the 1 centimeter on this one. Join this point, and sorry, this is not 1 centimeter, so you have taken you have taken 1 centimeter, kept the pointer over here and made an arc over here. Now you need to join these 2 points, origin and this arc. Now you need to keep this as your radius, and using circular you need to make an arc on this side. Okay, Now the point that you get over here, that is your point root 2. Now how this becomes root 2? Because this is 1, this is 1. Using Pythagoras theorem, this will be 1, 1. So this will be 2. Your hypotenuse square is 2. So your hypotenuse will be root 2. Okay. Now the same way, like how you draw this arc, same way you will have to draw a perpendicular from this using your circular. When you draw this will be your root 2. Now when you draw from here, you need to draw a straight line, and then you can take 1 centimeter again here. This is your root 2. Now we need to join these 2 points. Now this is root 2, so this will be 2, square of this will be 2, and this will be 1, so this is your root 3. So taking this as your radius, you need to draw an arc over here, and this point is your root 3. So again you need to draw a perpendicular at this point, so you need to draw this a straight line over here and take 1 centimeter again over here. Okay, now this is your square of this is root 3, so this will be root 3. The square of this will be 3, this is 1, so this will be 4, so this will be your root 4, so basically 2. And when you draw an arc over here, so this will be your root 4, so basically this will be your point 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Now again you need to draw a straight line from here, make an arc of 1 centimeter from here, join these 2 points. Now taking this as a radius, again you need to draw an arc over here, so this will be your root 5, because this is 4, this is 1, and this is root 5. So again you need to draw a straight line from here, basically a perpendicular, and 1 centimeter from here, join these 2 points, and using this as your radius, you need to cut over here on the number line. This is your root 6. Again you need to draw a perpendicular from here, 1 centimeter arc from here, make an arc over here, taking this as your radius, you need to draw an arc on the number line, and this is your root 7. That's it. I hope you guys have understood what I have explained over here. Writing on the laptops or on the screen is not easy, so that's why you can see so much of this thing. I'm not comfortable writing on a tablet, so that's why this is creating a mess. So I hope you have understood the concept, what you need to do. And also, if you find this video lecture useful, do share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And on my channel you will find mathematics lecture starting from class 6 to class 10. Now this video is for class 8. If you have someone in class 6 or 7, you can recommend them my channel, and they can also learn from this. Okay, thank you, stay safe.